In this video, I'll show you how to disable Face ID on GCash. First, open the GCash app and log into your account. Then go to Profile and open Settings. GCash's Help Center shows that Biometrics Login is managed from the Settings section of the app. Next, tap Biometrics Login. If Face ID or facial recognition is currently enabled on your account, turn that option off. On some phones, GCash may label this feature more generally as Biometrics Login, which can include either fingerprint or face recognition depending on your device. After that, confirm the change if the app asks for verification. Once it's disabled, you'll go back to using your MPIN to log in instead of Face ID. GCash also notes that if biometric login fails multiple times, you can still use your MPIN. And if you reset your MPIN, biometric login is turned off. If you're trying to disable Face ID because of face scan problems, GCash also recommends updating the app and checking your camera access in your phone settings. That's how to disable Face ID on GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.